Uh-oh. Sounds like Kickback is in trouble.
I'm sensing a little hostility here, you know? I only hopped over here to see if I could join the team.
You won't. But as long as I catch Suyan, one person down, one more to go to kill. Crap, I gotta get back to the girls fast. I'll take this way. That way is Virus World. I don't want to go there. It might be a trick. Hey, I'm in the Ribbit Forest. But Virus Kid will catch me anytime. Suyan, I'm coming to catch you. With what? Are you gonna try to kill me? No, I won't. This time I won't kill you. Yeah, right. You're not gonna try to trick me again.
You should be flattered. I'm adding you to my collection. Of course, you're a bit too young to fit in. But actually, you never will. Legend says the Guardian is supposed to transcend the time barrier and remain a teenager forever.
I guess I'll get you guys onto this truck and we'll be on our way to the river. Hey, look, Finding Suyan? No, we looked everywhere for her. Well, we can't give up now, so we gotta find her. There isn't the monster! Relax, you idiots. Those aren't monster eyes. They're headlights reflected from our lantern. Uh-oh, watch out! Here they come! Wow, did you see that thing? That Virus Kid was driving Johnny's sandwich truck. You're right, except it wasn't even carrying sandwiches. It was carrying jewels and diamonds. But what would Virus Kid want with those? Well, if you ask me, I'm looking for trouble. Guys, look! It's Suyan Kickback. Oh no, and they got Venom napped. I wonder where she's taking them. I don't know. Is the coast clear? Yeah, and so is our chance to catch her and so is our chance to catch her to figure out where she's taking them unless we get moving. Come on! Wakey, wakey. This time I'm gonna kill you both once and for all. Look, over there where it says Wild River Raft Trips. It's Kickback and Suyan. But where's that mean Virus Kid taking her? Look, over there. Look, she's escaping the river in a rubber raft and taking them to her lair so they can kill them. Oh, we'll never get her now. Oh, yes, we will. And I've got a plan. Well, good luck, man. Hold it. The plan includes you.
Uh-huh. Like I just knew you'd say that.
Hang in there, Scooby.
Whoa!
Relax, Blinky. When we catch up with the Virus Kid, the story will make a big splash in all the newspapers.
Like I'm worried about making a big splash right now.
Look, we're gaining on her.
I can't look. I'm afraid of heights, hang gliders, falling and drowning and all that kind of stuff.
Me too. Now remember the plan. I'll dive on her, and you'll do the rest to get Suyan Kickback.
Oh boy, if this works, I'm gonna run away and join the circus.
Now! You've got her! I'll meet you below the rapids! She'll meet us below the rapids.
Rapids!
Here they come now, Sheriff.
I don't see anything.
Not in the water, Sheriff. In the air.
Abandon ship!
We've got her. Kickback, Zulian, are you both okay? We're fine. Thanks for saving us, girls. Don't mention it, Cian. We're so glad that you both are safe.